Hey guys, TimeLapseBoy63 here, and today I'm back with another video. Today I don't really like doing this, but I'm asking for help because I don't really know how to fix what's going on, I guess. So basically, I have a Samsung Blu Ray Player that stopped working, and if you guys know how to fix this, please comment down below. All help is grateful. Yeah, just comment down below, please. So here's the issue. So, this is a Blu-ray player. It just gets stuck on this logo here. It won't move off of it. That's the only thing on the screen, as you can see. And if you look on the back of this, the model number is... It's a BD-JM57C. And there's a few issues with this. For starters, this is one of the issues. When it turns on, it just gets stuck at this and doesn't move anywhere. I was going to try to update its firmware. I got firmware off of the website and I was going to try to update it. But basically it won't let me because of the fact that I have to be in the actual setup menu to do it. And just plugging a little USB here wouldn't work. Right here. It won't work because I wasn't actually in the menu. But this won't let me get into the menu, so I don't have a clue on how I'm supposed to reinstall the firmware. Another issue that's happening is this having intermittent power. Well, first of all, these buttons are completely unresponsive. Even if I hold it down, as you can see I'm doing, it simply won't turn off. Disk drive won't open. It's almost like this thing is literally bricked. If I use the remote, it doesn't work either. The disk drive button open. Nothing. The only way to get it to turn off is to unplug it. And the weird thing is, when I plug it back in, it automatically turns on. If I go ahead and unplug it, you can see the screen obviously turns off. And then, if I were to plug it back in, it may work or it may not work. But if I plug it back in, let's see if that screen will show back up. Or let's see if it'll just stay with this. I'm guessing stay with this, because that's what it always does. Yep. See? Oh. Okay, well of course the time of course. Well, the one time I show you guys, of course it works as I want it to. But yeah, this makes no sense though. Because most of the time it just doesn't display any signal out, and I don't get why. It may be a power supply issue, I'm not really sure. Oh, but now yep, there is rebooting. That's another one of the issues. So let me just tell you everything that's going on, basically. Sometimes it doesn't turn on. Like when you plug it in and everything, no matter what you do, you can't get a signal out to the TV. You don't hear the disk drive ringing, it's like no power. Other times when you plug it in, it automatically turns on and it just freezes on this. And then other times when you plug it in, it turns on and then it flashes like it just did. Like where it power cycled. And I have no clue how to fix this. If you guys have any ideas at all on how I can possibly fix this, please comment down below. This is the remote. I've been just posting random buttons all together, trying to see if it would do anything. No luck with that. Because, I mean, I've seen other videos of people just like pushing random buttons and getting into like different modes and stuff where you can like update the firmware without having to actually be on the settings menu. But yeah, I don't really know what to do. This is where I am. Again, power button completely useless. I want to try again if I can get the Blu-ray player to actually like not show up. Like this is all it does. But right now it's unplugged, so it's like I'm expecting this. But if I plug it back in, let's see if it will do it again. I'm actually hoping this doesn't show up anything so you guys can see what I'm exactly talking about. And of course it's showing up, so. Okay, well now I can't get it to stop doing this. But just take my word on this one, guys. Where sometimes it simply just simply won't show anything, even though now it's doing it like this. But again, firmware I don't know how to. Oh, and I was doing the thing where it turns off, and yep, there it is. Oh, here's what I'm talking about. See this HDMI cable? Is currently connected. Where is it? Right there. It's getting no signal. Yeah, it is plugged in, but nothing at all is happening. So yeah, I'll show you where it's plugged in. Plugged in right here, but still nothing at all is happening. Power bank, nothing. So there's no sign of power. Yeah, I'm almost signing off with this thing though. Okay, but if you guys have any ideas on what I can try, please comment them down below. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and peace out, everyone.